What does it take to be a hero? Kailangan ba gyud ka sikat to be a hero? Kailangan ba ka naay superpowers? Kailangan ba gyud nga kusgan kayo ka? Not necessarily. Simple things can make a hero. Acts of kindness can make a hero. You don't have to be old or be young to be called a hero. Sometimes we think nga di na to kaya, pero that is all in our minds. We just have to make ourselves passionate about helping others. Passionate about being one of the reasons why someone else's day got better. Maskin pa ginagmayra na nga butang, you can be called a hero. You don't have to do big things to make a big impact. Because sometimes, small things can really make a big impact. As long as you are able to make someone else's day a little bit easier for them. They'll look at you like you're their hero. Give people a reason to smile. Give people an example to be a positive spirit. As long as you know in your heart na gusto gyud ka mo tama. You don't have to look far to become a hero. Because heroes can come from different places. And heroes can come in different sizes, ages, and shapes. You might not know it yet, but you are already a hero. A hero in someone's eyes. Be a good influence. Be an inspiration. Be a hero.